that was always you.
Emergency! Dalek control is compromised!
What was the Tardis? It was over there somewhere, wasn't it?
What is happening? Explain!
Dalek Supreme, your sewers are revolting.
Assist or you will be exterminated!
Oh, well, go on then. Exterminate away.
Doctor!
Oops. Sorry. TARDIS force field's still here. We get in. You don't.
The TARDIS has been destroyed!
Oh, don't be silly. Of course it hasn't. It's just redistributed itself for a moment. Hostile action dispersal system. I'll just give it a quick blast from my sonic and the real-time envelope will reassemble right here.
Doctor, you don't have your screwdriver.
Oh, yeah. I'm over screwdrivers. They spoil the line of your jacket. These days, I'm all about wearable technology.
No. No. Seriously?
What is happening?
Ah, same old, same old. Just the Doctor and Clara Oswald in the TARDIS.
Humanoid detected! Remain still! Do not move! You are a Time Lord!
You know what? I've just had a very clever idea.
No chance you're going to tell me what's in that confession dial, I suppose?
Doesn't make sense.
What doesn't?
When you were in the Dalek, you made it say mercy. It shouldn't have understood the concept. It shouldn't have been able to say it. How did a tiny piece of mercy get into the DNA of the Daleks?
Doctor?